You're the baddest that these people have ever met in their life. Some may act as if they don't acknowledge you, they don't acknowledge your accomplishments, who you are, what you stand for. And you could be the type of person whereby you're literally in your own world. You're not here to prove anything to anyone. Unfortunately, for some of you, it's like you don't even realize how truly magical and powerful you are. To you, it's just second nature. You just do what you do and you do it well, right? But what you possess, your qualities, your skills, and your talents is not from this world. It's otherworldly. It's from another galaxy. It's how you are being perceived. It's on another level. People are trying to work out how come you operate in the way that you do. How come your mind works in the way that it does? How come you're able to lead without being conceited with it? You're a natural leader, and some of you didn't even want this role or to be perceived as this. You know, a lot of people look up to you, a lot of people see you as a role model, and some of you are like, I don't want to be a role model. But many people find that you have this natural quality to inspire, and that could be in regards to how you operate at work, how you maneuver in this life, how you create, how you put yourself out there, your personality, your confidence. And sometimes you may, I feel like this is more in the past, you may have hid who you really were because you may have got targeted for your confidence in the past, because there's a certain trait, there's a certain talent that you possess, and it makes you stand out, and you were targeted for this. So maybe you decided that you didn't want to show people this skill, this talent. It could be in regards to music, it could be in regards to, dancing, it could be in regards to sport, some type of creativity. Maybe it was your intelligence as well. Like, you're very articulate. You have a mind of a solicitor. Some of you could be a solicitor, and I'm hearing you were the highest in the room, but maybe you turned down certain roles because you didn't feel good enough. Maybe you turned down certain job offers, even though you are more than capable. Maybe you play small, but you play small has to end with the Ten of Swords. You work extremely hard. Nothing was handed to you. And some people feel like it's unfair. Some people feel like you have been gifted all these unique and creative ideas. And it's like you go to your lab and you create. And some people just wish that they had the same. And I'm also picking up that some people, they admire it. Yeah, you're going to get some haters, but I'm feeling this is more of a reading whereby people actually just wish that they had your level of creativity. Like, people wonder, how do you come up with these concepts, these ideas? How come you work the way that you work? How come, even if you work in an office job, you can construct, say, an email or the words that you use, and you get straight to the point, or you're able to explain things in a way whereby people understand, but you're still using, the office jargon, but it's done so in such an artistic way. It's done so in such a precise way so that it translates to everyone. And your creativity, who you are, your personality, your essence is universal. It's universally appealing, and you're likable to most people that you come in contact with. And you may have tried to hide yourself because, again, people may have tried to make you feel bad about the qualities that you possess. And you may find family in people that are not blood related to you. But you have a whole soul tribe out there. And unfortunately, you were in certain relationships where these individuals were not the King of Pentacles. They were the Page of Pentacles. And they were intimidated by who you were. And some of them knew that they weren't right for you, but they were so selfish. They just needed to experience you. They just needed to, you know, be with someone like you, whether it was to glow or to boost their ego. And they knew they didn't have any, you know, any business being anywhere around you. And these same individuals who sabotaged the connection because they didn't want to mature, they didn't want to give you the commitment that you deserved. And Spirit is saying, you definitely did not deserve to have a long-term relationship with this clown. Hence why they're in the King of Pentacles in the reverse, right? Because you would have been waiting for a long time. You would have been waiting for them to see your worth. And these individuals still miss you. You have exes from the past who still miss you. But guess what? They're still in the same position that you left them in. Pretending to be a king when they're really a page. Meanwhile, you're shining. And for some of you, they see this. They see this on social media. And people find you to be extremely beautiful. People may have said to you before, you look like a model. You should be a face model. You know, you should be a body model. Your body's banging. You should be a sports model. You know, regardless of the fact, people feel like you should be on TV. And for that ex, they knew this as well. They saw you as hypnotic, an absolute stunner. And they got lost in you, but then they wanted to humble you. Maybe they brought in a third party to try and sabotage your confidence. But yeah, regardless of the fact, people know that you're the baddest. That's why they compete with you and over you. You're rare.